Imagine you work at a company with many specialized terms that the Whisper model may not recognize. Every time you pronounce these words, you encounter spelling mistakes or misrecognitions. To illustrate this, I've created a fictional news story as an example. Your situation might be similar, filled with unique words. Let's listen to the dictation.
In a bold move to reshape the healthcare landscape, Medvanta Health has unveiled a suite of innovative services. Their new AI-powered diagnosis tool, Genexa 5, is set to improve early disease detection, while the NeoCare Plus system enhances real-time patient monitoring. Additionally, the company's TheraLink platform expands access to virtual care, bridging gaps in underserved communities. With wellness initiatives like OmniWell and cutting-edge tech such as Pulse Sync, Medvanta Health continues to push the boundaries of modern healthcare.
Let's transcribe this. We can drag and drop it to dictop. Now let's compare the transcript with the expected result. Uppercase letters are incorrect. The same issue appears here. NeoCare is correct, but plus is transcribed as a word instead of a symbol. A dash character is missing in this instance. Imagine dictating these words all day. We can define these corrections as replacement rules. Let's copy this mistake and navigate to Settings and Replacement tab. Now let's add a new rule. Here's the correction. Let's repeat this for a few more examples. A faster way to do this is by right-clicking on the text and selecting Services, Add to Dictop Replacements. This menu is available in every native text field, not just within this app. Now let's run the transcription again. Another option for transcribing a file is to right-click on it and select Services once more. Let's take a look at the new transcript. We now see two options, Original and Replaced, where the replacements have been applied. When we click this button, we can compare the original transcript with the version after the replacements. As you can see, the corrections are applied automatically. You never have to worry about them again.